Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Wednesday, dive day, Lake Tippy, going back-to-back weeks. If you're new here, my name is Daniel DJ Lepper. I'm the concrete barber. My wife and I run a mom and pop barbershop in Goshen, Indiana, and scuba diving is one of my hobbies, and I like to document this journey that started this year. So I'm glad you're here. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and see where we go next. Lake Tippy is the mission today. It's a little bit overcast, so we'll see. It was a great one here last time, and we'll see who shows up. But we're really plugging along here, and today's a pretty fun day. We got a new GoPro. Amber hooked it up. It was a really nice surprise. Christmas came in August this week. Good action, and we'll get to compare it last week from the GoPro 4 to the GoPro 12 this week. And the other big one is she also talked about Christmas in July. She booked a dive trip with the group that we go to down to Honduras down in March for an all-inclusive dive trip, and I couldn't be more pumped about that thing. We're getting as many dives as we want to in any amount of time there. So man, freaking awesome. Amber, I love you. I really appreciate all the things you do for me, and you go above and beyond all the time. It's a blessing to have you, and more than just this, is the barbershop, the life, and everything it is. Life is great with you, baby. I appreciate it. Thanks for doing all you do. And hey, everybody, let's go dive, see what we got back here, and take care. Hey, there it was. So Lake Tippy, pretty good today. Again, not so many fish, a couple bottles. One of the coolest things was that big, huge root. I'm not sure how that tree got way out there or what, but seeing all those little fish kind of around the habitat was pretty cool. So I'm gonna call that the highlight. Not sure where we're going next week, but another one's in the books. Thanks for being here. Subscribe, like, and we'll talk to you later.